Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gummy token. Name of the token is Gummy, ticker symbol is also Gummy. Now this is a token on the Solana blockchain. You can find them on SolScan, you can find them on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. And this token, it was just announced, got a very, very big central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token's actually trending number 7 right now on Dex Screener, and it's trending number 10 on Dex Tools. Very popular project. $150 million market cap. They have $3.1 million in liquidity in Raydium. And that is 99.53% locked and burned. So they have a nice little liquidity lock and burn there for their Raydium pool. Super huge market cap. Super huge pool with $3.1 million. And it was just announced that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange starting today, April 24th at 13 hours UTC time. The Gummy token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Gummy, and then simply just buy the token. Gummy is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. There is a total supply of 1 billion Gummy tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now it's down to 999,999,740 tokens. They have 52,729 holders. Very popular project. 9 decimal places on this token. Token price is around 14.7 cents right now. Market cap is huge. I already mentioned that, $150 million. They're listed on CoinGecko as well, according to their SolScan. And their webpage can be found at gummyonsol.com. Over there you can find the tokenomics, but of course they call it the Gummynomics. And they also have claim airdrop if you were involved with that. They have a Dex Tools link. You can check that out. So yeah, you claim your airdrop on Soulstorm. Maybe that's where a lot of their holders came from. Potentially they had a pre-sale somewhere here. So it says, say hello to Gummy. A 420 gummy bear ready to take the Solana ecosystem by storm. In a world where crypto often takes itself too seriously, Gummy just burst onto the scene here to prove that sometimes the sweetest returns come from not sweating the small stuff. And the Gummynomics here, 101, it says proceed with caution. This is the tokenomics, but not as you know it. And it looks like nutrition facts on their webpage. But 30% of the tokens went to airdrop. So that looks like where a lot of their holders came from, is those airdrops. 10% goes to central exchange liquidity and market makers. 20% goes to marketing, 40% goes to LP burnt, and then we got 0% to team and 0% to founders. So they do have their tokens locked and burned, and you can verify that on Dex Screener. So besides that, at the bottom of their webpage, they have the contract address. They have a link to their SolScan, Telegram. They have the Dex tools chart, Twitter, YouTube channel. And yeah, so that's basically it. It doesn't even look like their Telegram's available yet. Their Twitter is, though. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here at Gummy on Solana. The OG edible on Sol has the contract address, blue verified checkmark, 470 posts so far. Has a link to their webpage right there. They just joined in March 2024, and they already have 62,500 Twitter followers. That is a lot of Twitter followers. So, besides that, if we go to Dex Tools, they're trending number 3 right now. They just jumped up 7 spots on Dex Tools. They do have a quick audit on Dex Tools. We could have a look at that too. So on Dex Tools, they usually have this quick audit by Quick Intel Security for Solana tokens. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it also says no other risks. Keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. They have a 93.7 community trust score out of 174 votes, and they have a Dex score of 98 out of 99. So a lot of holders. Their 24-hour trading volume right now is $13.41 million. So very popular project today. Lots of trading going on. That's why it's trending, especially because of this big central exchange listing as well. So they have 10.6 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 10.28 million pooled Gummy tokens. So yeah, go check this token out. It looks like it's on CoinMarketCap as well, and Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. And you can find it today newly listed on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And if you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button, become a channel member. I did post my very first channel member video talking about how to find tokens early. So if you're interested in that, hit that join button, for as little as $1 a month. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.